The customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on. To begin diagnostics, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved the error code P0420, Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold Bank 1. This code typically indicates that the catalytic converter is not performing efficiently, which can lead to increased emissions and reduced engine performance. I started by performing a visual inspection of the catalytic converter on Bank 1 to check for any external damage, such as cracks, discoloration, or leaks, but found no obvious issues. To further investigate, I used a non-contact pyrometer to measure the temperatures at the inlet and outlet of the catalytic converter. Normally, the outlet temperature should be higher than the inlet temperature due to the chemical reactions occurring inside the converter that burn off harmful emissions. However, in this case, the inlet temperature was higher than the outlet, which indicated that the catalytic converter was not functioning properly internally. To confirm the diagnosis, I gently tapped on the catalytic converter with a rubber mallet and heard a rattling sound coming from inside. This rattling indicated that the internal components of the converter, such as the honeycomb structure or substrate, were likely damaged or broken. These test results confirmed that the catalytic converter on Bank 1 was defective and needed to be replaced. The catalytic converter is a critical component of the emissions control system. Its job is to reduce harmful exhaust gases, such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, by converting them into less harmful substances before they exit the exhaust system. When it fails, it can lead to increased emissions, poor fuel efficiency, and potential damage to other components, such as the oxygen sensors or the engine itself. Proper diagnostics, including temperature testing and a physical inspection, ensure the root cause is identified before proceeding with repairs. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty catalytic converter on Bank 1 with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated properly, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This step-by-step approach ensured that the problem was accurately diagnosed and effectively resolved.